now it's recording.
Hello,
Hello, peeps.
Diane Breaux here,
She's the Pickle Lady.
coming to you
Our
live
dog
from
Molly is
Prescott.
joining us. That's
This is our
okay.
sweet pup, Molly Lee.
Yeah, we're
Hello, Molly.
practicing
Yeah.
positive parenting today. So,
She's here. She likes to be part of the filming.
yeah, absolutely.
So if we don't let her be a part of it, you'll just hear a lot of barking and whining in the background. So we decided, hey, let's try this and see how
Yeah.
this works. So here she is.
So today we're sharing something that has nothing to do with real estate, but it's so
Oh,
cool. I thought I would share it with all of you. We're going on a trip to Europe and long cruise and all this other kind of stuff. And I just thought, wouldn't it be cool to spend the time between now and then, just kind of boning up
yeah.
on the areas that we're going, the history, the food,
Mm-hmm.
the wine, the culture, the things that you don't want to miss, that kind of stuff,
Et cetera, et cetera.
et cetera, et cetera. So I sat down with my best friend ChatGPT,
His favorite thing.
my
Oh my
favorite
God.
thing.
All you nerds out there,
Oh my God,
ChatGPT is where it's at.
ChatGPT is lovely, lovely. So I asked her, I said, we're going on this trip, and she looked up the itinerary for me, and I said, based on where we're going, what do you think we need to know?
That's
What,
right.
what kind of stuff should we bone up on? So she gave me a list. We worked on the list a little bit. Of course, I put food and drink at the top of the list. And then I said, okay, given that, give me one YouTube video a week to watch so that by the time the trip comes,
That's
I'm,
right.
I'm well educated.
There
And
you
she
go.
did. So we're sharing that with everyone's going on the trip with us. And this week is the first week that I have a video, and I'm excited about it. So I thought
It's
we'd share
actually pretty
that.
cool. I mean, she does a great job. It's pretty stress free. I mean, it's easy.
Yeah,
You just tell her what you want, and this chick
yeah.
cranks it out.
Now, I made the mistake of asking her for books to read. Oh my God, if I read all the books,
Yeah.
I would be, that wasn't such a good idea. But YouTube videos are perfect because
Yeah.
you don't have to wait for the show to
Nope.
on TV. You just, anytime you're ready, you load it up and you watch one of them. You watch one a week, and by that time, you will be a well-informed traveler.
Yeah.
So,
So, I mean, this can apply to any trip,
yeah, any
actually.
trip at all. Yeah,
Anything. It's pretty cool. You just plug it in, tell her what you want, and
yeah.
well, I was going to say something else, but I'm not going to say that word because it's, a naughty word, but that bitch will crank it out. She will.
She
And
will. She did a
she
great job.
will, fine tune it, hone
Yeah.
in on exactly what you want to look at. And then you can just enjoy it until your trip comes up. The same thing can apply if you're coming to Prescott.
Yeah. Well, you
Yeah.
don't have to. Well, you
Yes,
could.
you don't have
You
to,
could.
but
If you're coming to Prescott and you want to bone up on all things Prescott, we've already done that for you. If you go to PrescottRelocationCenter.com, that is our information site. All things Prescott, things to do, restaurants, uh, day
that's right.
trips,
We already have
nail
it on our
salons.
website.
I mean, it's
I mean,
all
we
there.
have it all on our
Yeah.
website for sure.
Yeah.
But it would be good for you if you wanted to add a little something else to it. Do the ChatGPT.
Yeah.
She may teach you something we don't even know
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
And it could be really, really cool for you. So anyway, we're just excited.
Yeah.
Any big trip you're taking, explore ChatGPT and kind of find some interesting things that you can learn about where you're going and kind of bone up on everything before you even arrive.
Yeah.
So you're an expert.
Yeah.
And also,
Remarkable.
don't wear the white socks and tennis shoes that give you away as an American if you're going overseas.
Unless you're going to Germany, and in which
Then it's
case you
perfectly
would you would pass
Yeah.
as a native.
Yeah, you can wear
Unless
your Crocs, your Birkenstocks with
Yeah,
socks. You'll be
yeah.
just fine. But other than that, ChatGPT, I don't know if she'll give you that kind of helpful advice like we will, but
Yeah. Well, you probably could. You could say, I'm going to Croatia in
yeah,
March. What should I wear?
yeah.
She'll help you with
It
things like
is
that.
fascinating.
It is
So
fascinating.
we are so excited, and we just thought, let's share this with everybody out there. 'Cause
Yeah,
it's kinda
absolutely.
Cool, and it's kind of fun.
It is a lot of
So
fun.
anyway, you can also apply it to us, or you can get a lot of information about Prescott just off of our website.
PrescottRelocationCenter.com.
There you go.
go.
Hope
Lots
to
of
hear
stuff.
from you soon, and we'd love to tour you around our great town, and free of charge.
Yeah, that's right.
Free of charge.
That's right.
All right. See you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
I think